Hello everyone, welcome on board P&O's beautiful Iona. This is a mini ship tour of Iona. I'll be showing you around the ship of the areas we mostly visited. Unfortunately, I couldn't get into most places, but I'm sure there's other videos on YouTube that would give you the whole ship tour on the areas that we couldn't get to. This is our second time sailing with Iona on the exact same itinerary. We hope you enjoy the ship tour and we hope it helps in your future sails. Enjoy! This is the sports area located deck 19 mid-aft of the ship. Guests can enjoy football, tennis, basketball and a variety of other activities. There are also golf practice nets available, making it the perfect spot for anyone who loves swinging a golf club or simply wants to work on their aim while on board. The entertainment team also hosts activities here for children and teenagers, giving them a great opportunity to meet new people and stay entertained during sea days or even port days. This is the splash zone, located deck 18 mid-aft starboard side. The perfect spot for children to enjoy a mini water park and to cool off on board. You'll also find a jogging track on this deck where 7 laps equals to 1 mile, ideal for getting some extra steps in on sea or port days. Just around the corner, adults can relax in the sun with a drink from the panorama bar. This is the SkyDome pool located midship deck 16. You can also access the SkyDome from deck 17, where you also find additional seating areas and the SkyDome bar. Throughout the day and evening, the SkyDome hosts a variety of entertainment, including shows such as Tribu, Rising and tribute performances featuring artists like Pink and Taylor Swift. Films are also shown here and it's the location for the onboard silent disco. They also have an ice cream serving place called Sundays, which is an additional charge just like Ripples. The Beachcomber is an adults only pool and bar located deck 18 forward, the perfect place to unwind, soak up the sun and enjoy delicious cocktails in a relaxing atmosphere. This is the retreat. Unfortunately I couldn't get in there. The retreat is an adults only area that is an additional cost. It has whirlpools, lounge setups, cabanas and complimentary refreshments. The Crow's Nest is one of my favourite spots on Iona and any other cruise ship. Located on deck 17 forward, just above the bridge, this forward facing observation lounge and bar offers a calm and relaxing atmosphere. It's the perfect place to sit back and take the stunning views, especially when sailing into the fjords early in the morning. One thing to keep in mind, the bar does not open at 4 AM, so if you're in need of an early tea or coffee, you'll need to pick one up elsewhere such as the Horizon Buffet. The Epicurean is a perfect place to enjoy afternoon tea and transforms into a restaurant in the evenings. We didn't dine there ourselves, but we've heard great things about it. The Horizon Buffet is a casual self-serving restaurant, perfect for families or anyone who enjoys a wide variety of food options. It's located deck 16 mid-aft. The Clubhouse is a great venue for entertainment throughout the day into the evenings. During the day it offers children's entertainment, while evenings feature karaoke, comedians and live bands, making it a lively spot for all ages. It's located deck 8 aft. The Grand Atrium spans 3 decks, deck 6, deck 7, deck 8, and acts like the hub of the ship. Across the 3 levels you will find a variety of bars and venues, including the Glasshouse on deck 7, Emerald Bar on deck 6 and Vistas Cafe on deck 6, where you can grab a Costa coffee. On deck 8 you'll find the Keel and Cow, the ship's steakhouse, which is well worth a visit. Throughout your voyage, the Grand Atrium also hosts a range of entertainment and live performances. This is the very front of the ship on deck 8, and for me it was one of the best spots for photos, especially when sailing into the fjords. The Avenue Shopping is the best place to pick up souvenirs on board Iona. You'll find a range of designer brands including Lacoste and Barbour clothing, Mulberry handbags and luxury watches from brands such as Tudor, Breitling, Rolex, Tag and more. There's a large fragrance selection, perfect if you need to stock up on your perfume or aftershave during your cruise. The shops are only open on sea days or once the ship has left port, and you can use your onboard spending money to purchase gifts, designer items and fragrances. You'll also find shore experiences and cruise sales here, where you can book excursions or even your next cruise. They sometimes offer better deals, extra onboard spending money or lower deposits. However, in our experience, other cruise agents still worked out cheaper, although they offered less onboard credit. So it really depends on what matters most to you. The Avenue Shopping is located on deck 7, mid-aft to midship. The Glass House is a stylish specialty wine bar and restaurant. Its location is deck 7 at the Grand Atrium. Brody's is the place to be if you want to watch live sports on board Iona. Located deck 7 mid forward, the sports bar shows a range of events including football, golf and more. There's also a casino inside which becomes especially popular in the late evenings. This is Vistas, located deck 6 in the Grand Atrium, serving a range of Costa coffees and hot drinks. In certain areas of the ship, the time is projected onto the floor, a unique and thoughtful feature that Iona has added. The 710 Club, located deck 6 in the Atrium, created by Gary Barlow, is an intimate, adults-only music bar with a moody, speakeasy vibe. The live band performs a mix of vintage pop, soft rock and jazz, creating a relaxed and stylish atmosphere. The gym, located deck 5 forward, is spacious and well equipped with a wide range of machines. With windows overlooking the sea and port, you can enjoy the views whilst you're working out. Ocean Studios is Iona's onboard cinema showing 4 films a day that change daily. It's a great spot for families, kids or anyone that wants to sit back and relax and enjoy their favourite film. The seats have a built-in sensor, making it easy to see availability before you go in. If the seat is occupied, the seat number turns grey, while the blue seats show as available, helping you quickly find a space for your party. Anderson's is the perfect spot for gin and rum lovers. Offering a relaxed lounge atmosphere, you'll also find complimentary books to read and board games to enjoy. It's also home to Iona's onboard gin distillery, making Iona the first cruise ship at sea to have its own distillery on board. Thank you for watching our ship tour. Sorry it wasn't the whole ship, but we hope you enjoyed the areas we have shown you. And we hope there has been some helpful tips for your sail on board Iona. Please like, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell button to keep updated for when we release our next few videos of our sail on board Iona. Goodbye for now.